Hi everybody, this is Rati from the Imaging Center and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be exploring the Perspective Warp tool, which is used to adjust the perspective of an image to match its background. So we're going to start off with this background and we're going to drag and drop the image that we want to warp onto this wall. So I'll drag this straight from my downloads onto here. And seeing as it's pretty small, I can make it a little bigger so that we see what we're working with. After you're done, you're going to click on the check mark or press enter. To activate the Perspective Warp tool, we're going to click on Edit here at the top, and then Perspective Warp. A guide of how to use the Perspective Warp tool will show up, and you're welcome to follow along with that. But you can also just click on the edge of the image, and then drag the circles over to the edges of that image as well. Like that. When you're satisfied with your selection, you can click enter or hit the check mark at the top. So I'm going to click enter. Next, we're going to move to step 2, where we then warp this image onto the wall. So to do that, we're going to click on any one of these circles and move them into the position that we want them to be in. So I'll click on this and put it on this corner. And then I'll click on this part and put it on this corner. So once your new image is in line with the background and you're satisfied with your changes, you're going to click on the check mark again or press enter. Another important piece of information is that you can turn off the perspective warp in the layer section if you want to revert to the original. And so right here in the bottom right corner, you can click on this little eye icon to turn it either on or off. So I'm going to keep it on because I'm satisfied with my changes. And that is how you use the perspective warp tool in Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and see you next time.